Okay, I'm going to take up one of the cinnamon rolls and I'll try to get one of them that's closest to the edge here. Oh, I should have put parchment paper under it. Sugar's causing it to stick. Okay, there we go. First ones are always the hardest to get out. And I do like pecans, and so I'm going to add a little bit of pecans to mine. And there it is. All good. I'm going to try to taste it. Mm. They're small but mighty. They're good. Mm. Thumbs up. Ciao.